Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the Obsess online sports program. I am your teacher Sadia Makbool from APS Rahimyar Khan, Kent. My dear student, I hope you all will be fine. Today, lecture class 7. Textbook New Secondary Science, page number textbook 96 to 100. Chapter 6 Simple Chemical Reaction. Topic Simple Chemical Reaction. Resource required textbook. Summary of the lesson is: what is physical change, what is chemical change, what is chemical reaction, type of chemical reaction. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to define a chemical reaction, differentiate between physical change and chemical change, name type of chemical reaction. Now we start our topic simple chemical reaction. Change take place all around us all of the time. Changes can be divided into two groups: physical changes and chemical changes. It is important to understand the differences between physical change and a chemical change. Physical change. No new substances are made. Energy is not always given out or taken in. It can be reversed. For example, can are crushed. When a metal can is crushed, the can is still a can. It is still made of the same molecules. Only the shape of the can has changed. Another example is ice melt. When the ice melts, energy is added to change the state of the water from a solid to a liquid. However, the water molecules have not changed. These are physical change. And the next is chemical change. One or more new substances are formed. Energy is always given out or taken in. It is usually very difficult to reverse. For example, toast burn. Burning toast changes the molecular structure of the bread so that it is impossible to change it back to bread. Chemical change happens during a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. There is an easy way of writing down what happens during a chemical reaction. It can be written as word equation. This is the word equation for the reaction between iron and sulfur when they are heated together. The chemicals involved at the beginning of a chemical reaction are called reactant. The chemicals that are made as a result of a chemical reaction are called product. In the chemical reaction between iron and sulfur are the reactant and iron sulfide are the product. Another way of showing this chemical reaction: iron atom plus sulfur atom combine to make iron sulfide. Now next topic is type of chemical reaction. Three type of chemical reaction. Synthesis. In this reaction, two different substances combine to make a single substance. Magnesium plus oxygen combine to make magnesium oxide. Magnesium ribbon burn in the presence of oxygen make magnesium oxide. And the next is decomposition, is the breaking up of a single compound into two or more simpler products. Energy is needed to break bonds. Thermal decomposition is the use of heat to break down a compound. When copper carbonate is heated, it changes from a green powder to a black powder. The green powder copper carbonate breaks down into a black copper oxide and carbon dioxide. And the third type is displacement. During a displacement reaction, one substance pushes out another substance to take its place. Iron plus copper sulfate make copper plus iron sulfate. If an iron nail is put into a jar containing copper sulfate solution, some iron dissolved and displaces the copper in the solution. The copper is deposited on the nail. And the written work is solve, test yourself for page 97, 98, 100. Find your answer from provided written pack. Take care. Allah Hafiz, students.